Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. It's your girl Zaria Shakira, aka frizzeecurlz, back again with another YouTube video. So I decided to start the year with a hair and makeup tutorial in one, just because y'all know me for doing hair, but I also want y'all to know that I get down with the makeup too. If you've watched any of my latest videos, then you know that for 10 days leading up to Christmas, I was partaking in a makeup challenge on my Instagram page. But this look I did today was one of my favorites from that challenge, so I just wanted to give y'all a tutorial on how I did it. I just think it's a great idea to start the year off showing you guys the two things I have a passion for and also very good at. So if you want to see how I'm doing my hair and makeup today, then keep on watching. So first I'm starting out with the makeup. I'm going to list the products I use down below in the description box, but I already had my eyebrows done because I just posted an updated eyebrow tutorial a few days before the new year. So it's still fresh, and if you want to see that tutorial, I will link it down below in the description box as well. To prime my eyelids, I'm using my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape in the shade Tan Deep Sand. I just wait for it to dry a little bit before I blend it out and set it with my Airspun translucent powder in the shade Honey Beige. The palette I'm using today is the Morphe 35H Hotspot palette. As y'all can see, I've been playing in it a lot. I'm going to be taking this beautiful tan shade from this palette and using it as my transition shade. I don't have the sheet for the shade names. I really wish this palette had them inscribed under the shades, so I'm just going to put the names on the screen. Next, I'm taking this Almost Shimmer Red shade and using that as one of my focus colors. I say almost shimmer because to me it looks like a matte shade mixed with shimmer, but not a full shimmer. Hopefully y'all get what I'm trying to say. And I'm kind of shaping my eye with this shade. Then I'm going to take this plum pink shade to darken the lid. It doesn't really show on camera, but it definitely has a plum undertone to it. Now taking this deep navy blue shade, I'm just adding that to my outer corner and crease area. Adding this blue shade to the red and pink shades, it created a nice deep purple. So while I'm blending the shade in, I'm going to give you guys a quick little backstory on this look. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I did do a 10 days of makeup challenge on my Instagram page, and I wanted to create different looks, mainly using this palette since it was a recent purchase. I call this look pb&j because I wanted to create a look using more than the same family of colors. This palette does contain cool blue shades and warm neutral pinky shades, but I didn't want to do an only cool colors look, and I also didn't want to do an only warm colors look. So this look was the perfect combination of the two, just like a pb&j sandwich. And the irony of it is that these colors that I'm using today actually look like peanut butter and jelly. This look was also heavily inspired by Angela Bright here on YouTube after I saw her video recreating this look using the same palette. So all I'm doing now is taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and cutting my crease. Now adding the peanut butter to the jelly, I'm taking these three shimmers here and adding it to my cut crease. I'm first going to take this gold shade and add it to the entire cut crease, then go on top of that with this copper shimmer. And to blend the peanut butter with the jelly, I'm taking this light blue shimmer and going along the end of the cut crease at an angle to marry the colors. When I'm using shimmers, I make sure I spray my setting spray on the brush first just to help pick it up and so it can stick to the primer better. Now that the shimmers are added, I just blend the end of the cut crease and do the rest of my makeup routine off camera. I have quite a few videos of my makeup routines, so I don't want to bore y'all with the same routine every time I do my makeup, but I'll list some of the videos down below so you can go check me out or whatever. All I'm doing next is just my highlight and lips. My favorite highlight I like to use is the NYX Cosmetics Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in the shade Synthetica. Aaliyah J actually put me onto this years ago and I haven't stopped using it since, so shout out to her. For my lips, I'm just lining them with this Wet n Wild brown eyeliner pencil, and then on top of that, I'm going to add this NYX Cosmetics Lip Lingerie Lipstick in the shade French Maid. I meant to exfoliate my lips before I did my makeup so my lip application can be smooth, but that didn't happen, so don't judge me. Anyway, that basically completes the makeup look after I set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and now we can move on to the hair. Alright y'all, this entire video was actually supposed to be a talk through, but in this next clip I'm just going to explain what I'm going to do to my hair today. Alright, so the idea that I have is I'm just going to create like 3 bantu knots down the middle, well the top of the middle of my head, and then I'm going to probably either twist or create braids right there. Alright, so all I do is just lightly spray the front of my hair just so it's easier to work with when doing this style. You guys already know the style that I'm going for, but this was done on an old wash and go. I actually filmed my wash day routine on this color, but I have yet to edit and upload it. So that video should be coming soon, so if y'all want to see it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Period. So the only things I'm going to be using for these bantu knots and flat twists are just some oil and water. When I finish with that, I'm going to show you how I revive my curls a little bit, and then that'll basically complete the style for today. Now that I've added the 2 flat twists on each side, I'm just going to set them aside while I revive my wash and go. To revive my wash and go, all I'm doing is spraying the section with water, detangling it with my Denman brush, and then taking one of my favorite mousses ever. This is by The Dew. It's their Mousse Def Texture Foam. I just add that to the section as well and define my curls with my Denman brush and repeat for my entire head. After I do my whole head, I'm just going to do the same things for the ends of my flat twists. I love using this mousse to do my wash and goes and to revive them. I'll list the full tutorials down in the description box for those of you who may want to see them. But once I'm done reactivating my curls, I just take my blow dryer and blow dry my hair on high, alternating between hot and cool. Alright y'all, that completes the look today. I hope you enjoyed this 2-in-1 get ready with me. Let me know what you guys think and give this video a thumbs up if you love how this look came out today. If you are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, please be sure to do so on your way to my next video. If you are a returning subscriber, be sure to click that bell to be notified when I post, and make sure your notifications are set for all posts. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!